5, 4, 3, 2, 1, picture. Bang.
Chandler, do we have unlimited?
Yeah.
What flag do we want?
Red.
Oh, good. Hey, purple? Purple or blue?
Oh.
Right shield, right shield. Up.
We can't deal with that crap in here.
Like a right. Woo. Like a right.
Ricochet.
Outside coming in on the right. The outside coming in on the right.
Thank you. Up.
Right. Sorry. It's all good. You got that door?
Stork gets moody. All the moody.
One, two, three, four, five.
Drop it out.
Flank around, flank around.
I hear the bonsai rush.
Hey, I hit you in the pants. Our little riot shield friend.
Purple over there. Okay, purple. Got it.
How much? 7?
Why do you do this? Nope, that's not happening.
Bang, bang.
Can't bang in the cows, but I'll take it because I don't want to get shot from a foot away. No, you're good.
Purple. Mason. Hi. Where's my little bro? Has anyone seen my little brother?
Brother.
He's a little redhead with a mask.
Oh. Well, we got some guys.
Mason!
We need guys in there though, bad.
Mason!
Let's push, guys. We got unlimited lives.
Hi guys.
Lowering the flag.
Hit.
Well played. No, that was just me being an idiot. Got it.
Get up there. Get up there. Guy behind the white man.
Get his head. Yeah, Deadhead White Van. This is a good fucking game. I lost my little bro though. That's a real bummer. Oh, hello.
Do we have guys in here?
What? I don't think we have anyone in right now. We need to get in there. Coming out.
Come see, come ça. That was me shooting myself because I'm a fucking idiot. Well, I didn't shoot myself.
Where?
Oh, I got him! Because I'm a dude, bro. Where's my little brother?
Sorry.
Hey, did you guys find my brother reading? I'm in.
Woo. Oh boy. Not the time for us to do this.
Guy behind the wooden plank in between gas station and church.
Got it.
Got him. Two guys on gas station.
I hit you. Hey, I hit you in the vest.
What?
I hit you square in the vest. Alright.
Yeah. Got it. I was hit by one. I was killed.
You wanna come in the class?
Sure, I'll grab him. I need to find Mason. The current objective is Mason.
We need 2 more people to come out left with us.
I'm coming kill house, so.
Have you seen a short guy in like what looks like to be a tree branch?
I can only see one, but there's probably more.
I'm gonna stay away from there, I'm sorry.
Hit.
Of course, the one time I don't have my gloves on.
Oh, absolutely.
This one was the white man.
Got it.
We're gonna push that building again, okay? Let's go.
Someone's over here.
No, the two tangos.
Two.
Two tangos.
Because they're shooting at me and I got.
Oh, such a smooth reload. I am the reload god.
Oh yeah.
This one by the white building too.
Got it. Yeah, they're responding pretty quick. I'm gonna find a different position. What's the problem with your gun?
Hey, I'm gonna push up, man. You gotta take that base. Push up on the right, take that base. You gotta keep that base. They got the base on the right.
Watch the tall grass.
Is that a Brit?
Yeah, I know. I thought it was purple, but
Yeah.
in the bushes to the right. He's about to light us up.
Bang on a blue.
He what? He's on the right of us.
Oh, there he is.
You see him?
I see him.
Alright, I'm gonna keep going.
Walk right away my gunner.
Oh, this is bad. This is really bad.
Back up, back up, back up. Oh, I can't cover you.
You're good. Oh wow. Alright, Stuart, hold on. Whew. Hey, guy in the blue, are you on purple or blue?
We're taking back the fucking kill house.
Hey, the object of this game is to hold that base for 10 minutes.
Yeah. No. I'll thoroughly kill me.
Hey. Let's go. Yeah.
He got hit as soon as he walked in the shop. Which one?
Let's go.
Ready?
Not a good position.
Let's go. Hit.
How far is 20 feet in this thing? Halfway is 20 feet? Hurry up, hurry up.
Hit.
Bang, bang. Time to find my little brother.
You there, your mobile device or laptop, computer, or whatever the hell you're on. Some magic. You're watching Dick Airsoft. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, follow us on Facebook to see where we will be when, and also for the newest video updates.